It's my honor to introduce myself. Good morning. My name is Mehak Begum. I am studying in 5th standard. All are welcome to the Essence of Experience Expo. My model name is One Map with a Game Activity. Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshay and I am from 5th grade. All are welcome to the Essence of Experience Expo. My model name is World Map with a Game Activity. There are 7 continents in the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. There are 4 oceans in the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Thank you. A world map is a map of most or all of the surface of Earth, a political map of the world centered on Europe and Africa. Good morning to everyone. My name is Naushima. I am from Italy. My model name is World Map with a game activity. It shows the location of most of the world country, map of the world with the names of our country. Thank you. North America, Antarctica, Europe, Africa, South America, Asia, Australia, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Thank you. It's my honor to introduce myself. Stanley Peters. I am studying in 6th grade. Hello, welcome to my Essence of Experience Expo. My model name is Flood. Flood is overflow of water. Flood are the most frequent types of natural disaster.
Floods are often caused by having rainfall. When ocean was coming on the shore, sound melts quickly when dams break.
Damaging flooding mainly happens with only a few inches of water or it may covers a house to the roof.
Floods are often caused by having rainfall. When ocean was coming on the shore, sound melts quickly when dams break. Flood not only cause extent properties, damage and destructive, but also claiming many lives. Farmers are very impossible by flooding because it drains the crops, land fertility.
Accumulated flood water in one location can make people sick with many abilities.
Village town may be drowned. Roads and railways, power and telephone lines will be interrupted roads and heavy cases of wealth.
And human life are caused. Thank you.
It's my honor to introduce myself. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Khana and I am studying in 7th standard. All are welcome to Excess of Experience Expo. My model is about soil erosion. My dynamic model used to evaluate soil erosion. Soil erosion is a gradual process of movement and transport of the upper layer of the soil.
According to everyone, my name is Shailen Tosa. I am studying in 7th grade. The topic is soil erosion. Soil erosion, the attachment of soil particles by random impact, splash or flowing water.
Bottle 1. Soil with plants, the water was quite clear. Bottle 2. Soil with rocks and mulch, the water had a little soil. Bottle 3. Soil only the water had a lot of soil.
Ways to prevent soil erosion: establishing and maintaining vegetation, grow grasses and trees, help to anchor the soil, segregation or back, observing holistic back, segregation degree soil, fertility which can negatively affect.
Conclusion is, this also helps in planting vegetation, maintaining forest, prevent soil erosion. It also helps in groundwater or runoff. Thank you.
Thank you. It's my honor to introduce myself. Good morning to everyone. My name is Aipata Basu. I am studying 16th standard. All are welcome to the Essence of Experience Expo. My model name is Main Crops Production in India. Major crops growing are rice, wheat, pulses, tea, sugarcane oil seeds, cotton, jute, etc. Of canal irrigation and tube, almond, groundnut, flax seeds, cotton, and jute, etc. Of canal irrigation and tube wells. Have is possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, parts of Rajasthan. Wheat is grown in many states in India. Maize is a producer of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh producer produce 50% of the total quantity of wheat produced in the country. Soil are groundnut flax seeds, millets examples are jawar and raji, etc. Thank you.